Well, I'm back. I'm going to be doing an air filter change on the BMW. It's a 4 Series 2 litre diesel 2015. Never done it before, but I'm pretty sure it'll be simple. So I'll do a video of me changing the air filter, and there's going to be another video of me doing the fuel filter at some point. I'll probably do it today and do it as a separate video. Just want to say thanks to all the subscribers so far. I'm nearly at 400. It's really good. The channel's worth it if people are interested. So I'll keep going as long as I can. And I have been slow with uploads, but I'm just flat out with work and the weather's been terrible. So yeah, get on with this and try and keep getting more uploads when the weather's improving. Start getting more of the Subaru done and stuff like that. We'll go and look at the car now then and see how to change this air filter. I've disconnected the pipe there. And there's another pipe under there, so we'll have to disconnect that one as well. There's like a clamp on it. You press the clamp in that side, and there's a clamp that side. It just pops off then. You also need to take this wire off from the airflow meter, lift the grey tab up, press it and it pops off. And then there's a little rubber bit down here which I mentioned earlier. Pop it all off, and that's it. It comes out. So then I'm guessing the air filter's in this section. Pop these metal clips back. Press in the middle of it with your thumb. That'd be easier to pop open. There's the air filter. Well, that's the old one. It's like really bad. You can see the dust coming out when I touch it. Inside here needs cleaning. And then that's the new one. You can see the difference straight away. Don't drop any of the crap off this back into the car anywhere. Chuck it down there. And keep this clean. So yeah, I'll vacuum this out now. Give all this a clean, get rid of the loose stuff. And you don't want to be dropping stuff in that pipe. You drop anything down inside this, it's going to get sucked into the engine. So you need to keep that clean. Really, you should put something in there to block the hole up. That would be my advice. And this one. Obviously I haven't done it in this video, but I should have really. So yeah, I'll get this box cleaned out and fit the new air filter. Just clean this out now. So just going to refit this air filter. When you refit it, you're better off refitting it to the big boxing piece. I've just tried putting it inside here and putting it on, it just keeps falling out. There's a hole in this box, it goes back that way, with a hole out to the side, which goes into there. So that goes back on top of there. I will do it off the video, so I've got two hands. But put that back on and do the clips up. And that's that then, that job's done. That's all clipped back on now. Just make sure it's on and sealed, which it is. I've noticed on this edge piece, there's some like little grooves along there, which slot in to on there. Obviously it's to keep a tight seal between here and here. Make sure you fit that back on properly. And that's the job done. Make sure you locate it back in all the rubber bits, the rubber supports. Don't forget to clip the airflow meter back in and push the grey tab down. Then do up the screw for the pipe down the bottom on that one there. Make sure it's tight and the pipe's tight. You clip in the little pipe back under there, and that's everything. And just double check it's located in the air feed pipe properly. The only tools for the job that you need is a long flat-headed screwdriver, which is for that there, for this pipe down here. That's the only one that you undo. The one below here unclips, so you don't need to undo that. And that's it. That's the job done. This car's only done 70,000-ish. So you can see the state of that, and I'm guessing it's not been changed since it was new. And if it has, it just goes to show that you do need to do A lot of people forget about the air filter, but if the car can't suck in fresh clean air, it's not going to run very well, is it? So yeah, they're not very expensive either, and it's easy to change, so check yours out and change it if it needs doing. It helps the car breathe. So that's it. Next video will be the fuel filter, which I'm guessing is going to also be really bad, but you won't be able to see inside that. This video will show you how easy it is to change it. You just need a long flathead screwdriver and just take your time. Yeah, and rip the old one out and chuck a new one in. So that's simple as that. I just want to thank the subscribers I've had so far. It's nearly at 400. I think I've already thanked you, but I'm thanking you again. You're making it worth me doing these videos. There's no point me doing these videos if nobody watches. So yeah, if I can get some more subscribers and some more likes and more comments, I'll be grateful. I try and interact with everybody, and I try and keep up with my comments. I'm a bit slow sometimes because of work, but I do try and keep on top of it. So yeah, if you can, like this video and subscribe to the channel please, and I'll be really grateful. And the next job is going to be the air filter, the fuel filter. So yeah, I'll get that done next. Right then, I'm off. Thank you.